In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete a plan in Microsoft Planner right inside Microsoft Teams. If you've got old projects cluttering up your workspace or plans that you simply don't need anymore, cleaning them up can make Teams feel much more organized and easier to navigate. I'll walk you through the quickest way to do this using the Planner app in Teams, sometimes called Tasks by Planner and To Do. First, make sure you're in Microsoft Teams on your desktop or in the web app. Look over to the left-hand side of your screen where you see the main navigation bar. You should see an icon labeled either Planner or Tasks by Planner and To Do. Microsoft has updated the naming over time, but they both refer to the same app. If you don't see it right away, you might need to click the three dots labeled More Apps and look for it there. Once you find it, click it to open the Planner app inside Teams. When the Planner app opens, you'll see a list of your existing plans and tasks. These might be organized under different sections like Shared Plans or Recent, depending on how you've been using Planner. Take a moment to locate the specific plan you want to delete. It's important to double check that you've selected the right one because deleting a plan is permanent and can't be undone. Once you've found the plan you want to remove, click on its name in the list. This opens the plan so you can see all of its buckets, tasks, and details. This step is helpful not just for confirming you're in the right place, but also for giving you one last chance to review any tasks or information you might need before you delete it. At the top of the plan, look for the plan's title. This is usually displayed near the upper left corner of the planner view. Click directly on the title of the plan. When you do this, a menu or settings panel will appear with options related to that plan. In that menu, look for the option that says delete this plan. The wording is usually very clear. Go ahead and select delete this plan. As soon as you choose this option, Planner will ask you to confirm that you really want to delete it. This confirmation step is there to prevent accidental deletions, since removing a plan also removes everything associated with it. You'll see a message explaining that the plan and all of its tasks will be permanently deleted. There will be a checkbox that says something like, I understand that this plan and all of its tasks will be permanently deleted. Carefully read this message so you understand that you won't be able to recover the plan later. When you're sure you want to proceed, check that box. After you've checked the confirmation box, click the delete button to finalize your choice. Teams will remove the plan from your list along with all of its tasks. That's it. You've successfully deleted a plan in Microsoft Planner using the Planner app in Teams.